So a lot of entrepreneurs talk hustle, but you bring wellness into the conversation. How has positioning wellness actually impacted your business performance?
It's everything. It's having enough energy to do the job and do the job well, or not having enough energy to do the job and do the job well. I know that I mentally perform better when I'm eating better and when I'm well rested and when I've exercised. I think exercise is one of the business leaders' best tool for problem solving. My best ideas come when I exercise.
What was a lesson you learned, let's say, in hard way, uh, a lesson that you learned the hard way in business? And what advice would you give to your younger self?
So one of the hardest lessons I think I've learned in business is that I can't do it all. I think we all have the impetus to try to control everything. And I think I would try to tell my younger self along the same line of the lessons that not everything is my monkey and not everything is my circus.
Right. I love that. Running a business while staying healthy, it doesn't seem like that's an easy thing. What's been the biggest challenge in balancing the two?
When I'm at the stove cooking, I can't be somewhere else working.
Okay.
Although some clients have heard me clanging around making a sauce while we're wrapping up, at 6:30 at night or 7:30 at night for a business call. I think if you don't have a little planning and forethought, they become competing things. I'm either taking care of my business or I'm taking care of myself. So you need a little bit of planning. You need a plan. You need to settle up some time to dedicate towards that. I find it very difficult to eat healthy out, whether it's portion size or, that I'm not just picking the healthiest choices. I find that I'm healthier if I cook by my own hands.
So, with your radio show, the content, what do you notice people really struggle with right now when it comes to business and wellness?
So I think for a lot of the business owners that chat with me the most, they're finding that they have this other layer of a job that they don't understand how to navigate. Everybody from, the woman who sells the flowers in a flower boutique to the woman who sells clothing in a clothing boutique,
Right.
or the insurance company who's trying to keep people staffed at their office. They're all finding the same things, that I'm supposed to keep this online advertising mechanism alive, and I really don't know how to make it so that my time is generating a return in my investment of my time.
What does that look like, though?
It looks like people who are acupuncturists and have very specific training, not all of a sudden being video editors and content creators and advertising executives.
I see. So, you are already creating content across platforms. What's the best part of that process that you enjoy most, and what feels like, let's say, like the heaviest lift?
So the heaviest lift is taking the boring part and the mundane part of my business life that's so necessary and making it engaging content, because it's boring.
And what part would that be? What part would that be? Like making coffee? Like,
No, like meeting contractors to replace windows and finding out that the materials
okay.
didn't show up.
Okay. Yeah,
Like real
I hear a lot
life.
of people say everything is content, so record everything.
Record everything. Does anybody want to watch you? Oh,
You'll be
great.
surprised.
Great. I get to call the owner and say that the windows aren't here again. I
Right.
love these conversations nobody wants to have. They're so not happy. Like they're dreading my call.